Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev, and welcome to my channel where I do all kinds of YouTube videos now of hauls from different stores, from different companies, beauty products, clothing, everything you can think of. Well, today I'm going to share with you something that came from Encompass Elements. I don't remember what I ordered from there. What's that? Men's grooming from Walmart. Okay, I guess I ordered this. Rate and review this season's products. So, and they've got the little thing on the back. We go into order more. So, this is one for him, for a guy. I'll use it. It's a body benefits for him. Extra large shower sponge. 40% bigger than a basic sponge. I don't remember what I paid for this, but of course, you know, when I edited it, I'll use that. Body benefits in the same place for him. A 2x2 face brush. My man won't use this, and I'm not going to use it. So I'll have to put that in a giveaway, I guess. Well, there's always some kind of hydration multiplier thing. I tried one of these one time, and I didn't care for the taste. I won't say what I thought it tasted like, but giveaway. Here's some Nautica cologne. My man won't wear this either. My man's old man. So this will go in a giveaway. Fundamental Skincare Trial Set. Face Moisturizers. A charcoal face wash. I don't know why I ordered this because two little things in it. He won't use this kind of stuff. It's Lumen Charcoal Face Wash and then a face moisturizer. Well, that's kind of cute. But I won't get him to use this. Did I order this? Maybe I thought I'd give it all away. Oh, some Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. This will be keeping because we do go on trips and we need little sunscreens with us. And then there's a Gold Bond Strength and Resilient. Proteins and lipids. Must be for the face. Skin therapy cream. Directions. Apply to skin, reapplying as often as needed. It's lightweight, non-greasy, 24-hour moisture, fragrance-free, 7 plumping ingredients. I don't think I'd get him to use it, but I'll put it on his counter. Oh, back scrubber for him. Now, he might use this. It's even got a little soap pouch on it. It must be this thing right here. So, it offers tools as tough as you to blast through dirt, oil, and sweat to always keep your skin clean and feeling great. Care instructions. After using, wring out thoroughly and hang to dry. Replace every 1 to 3 months. We'll keep that one. Oh, here's a little carry bag. He might use this when we do our trips. He's gotten in the habit of putting them in like plastic baggies. You know, even though he does have a groom kit, but you know, I'll keep that. And then this, ooh, it's an exfoliating mitt, man hand approved. Looks like it's pretty rough. After use, wring out thoroughly and hang dry. It offers this tough, it says the same thing as that other one. See, put your hand in all over. See if I can get him to use it. And that's it. So, some of you others might have gotten it too. So I'm keeping about half of it. 1, 2, 3, 5. And then I'm giving away just these 2 things. Oh, wait, here's another thing. I don't know if I get him to use it. I wish he would. You know, he makes comments that my skin looks so much younger than his. And we're the same age. Well, because I can line up. I don't know. I'll put it in to keep just in case. So these are going to go down here in my giveaway. Just looking at another box that came too. So what do you think? It wasn't a very long video, was it? What is it about guys that most of them don't really take good care of their skin or their face and stuff, and yet as they get older and start getting little wrinkles and things, and a little tougher look, they look sexier. You know, I don't know why, but us, we just look like old wrinkly old ladies, you know, and guys wouldn't even look at us. Not that I care if they look at me anymore, but you know, it's interesting. Men and women were not created equally. So, comment below, share, excuse me, like, subscribe, and check out a video that got posted that's a giveaway that's going till May 15th. That will be a big box full of all kinds of miscellaneous stuff. So that maybe will appear in there. I don't know. So, hope you're all having a good day. I love you all. Bye.